Hello friends, in my Jharkhand GK series today I will discuss the questions, multiple choice questions on Jharkhand language and literature. So first question is, what is the official language of Jharkhand? A. Santhali, B. Hindi, C. Kuruk, D. Nagpuri. Answer is B. Hindi. Hindi is the official language of Jharkhand, while Santhali, Mundari, Ho, Kuruk, Nagpuri, etc. are recognized regional languages. Question number 2. Which is the most spoken language in Jharkhand? A. Mundari, B. Santhali, C. Hindi, D. Ho. Answer is C. Hindi. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in Jharkhand along with Nagpuri, Kurmali, Khotha and Santhali. Question number 3. In which script is the Santhali language written? A. Devanagari, B. Roman, C. Old Chiki, D. Bengali. Answer is C. Old Chiki. Pandit Raghunath Murmu invented the Old Chiki script for Santhali language. Question number 4. Nagpuri language belongs to which language family? A. Dravidian, B. Indo-Aryan, C. Austro-Asiatic, D. Tibeto-Burman. Answer is B. Indo-Aryan. Nagpuri is a dialect of Hindi belonging to the Indo-Aryan language family. Question number 5. Dharti Aba, father of the earth, is associated with which language and community? A. Nagpuri, B. Santhali, C. Ho, D. Mundari. Answer is B. Santhali. Birsa Munda, known as Dharti Aba, was the form of Munda Santhal community and is closely associated with Santhali culture and language. Question number 6. Mundari language belongs to which language family? A. Dravidian, B. Indo-Aryan, C. Austro-Asiatic, D. Tibeto-Burman. Answer is C. Austro-Asiatic. Mundari, Santhali, Ho, Kuruk, etc. belong to Austro-Asiatic language family. Question number 7. Albert Tudu is a famous writer of which language? Nagpuri, Santhali, Khotha, Kuruk. Answer is Santhali. Albert Tudu is a well-known poet and writer of Santhali language. Question number 8. Khotha language is mainly spoken in which region of Jharkhand? A. Palamu, B. Santhal Pargana, C. North Chota Nagpur, D. South Chota Nagpur. Answer is C. North Chota Nagpur. Khotha language is mainly spoken in North Chota Nagpur region of Jharkhand. Question number 9. Angika language of Jharkhand belongs to which language family? A. Indo-Aryan, B. Dravidian, C. Austro-Asiatic, D. Tibeto-Burman. Answer is Indo-Aryan. Angika, like Bhojpuri and Maithili, belongs to Indo-Aryan language family. P. Raghunath